In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your WordPress homepage, a fundamental step to personalize and structure your website effectively, ensuring visitors see exactly what you want them to when they first arrive at your site. Whether you're looking to showcase your latest blog posts or highlight a particular landing page, setting your WordPress homepage correctly is the key to creating a lasting first impression. First off, let's begin by navigating to wordpress.com. WordPress.com is a powerful platform that allows you to build a site, sell your products, start a blog, and so much more. It's the starting point of our journey today, and from here you'll find an array of tools and features at your fingertips designed to empower your online presence. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a login button. Clicking on this will take you to the login page, where you have several options for signing in. For those of you using Google services, clicking on Continue with Google is a straightforward way to log in using your existing Google account. It simplifies the process by linking your accounts, making future logins quicker and more secure. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select a Google account for login. Choose the account you wish to use if you have multiple Google accounts. Typically, it's best to choose the one you use most frequently for business or website management purposes. Then, click on Continue to proceed. This step essentially bridges your Google identity with WordPress, streamlining access to your WordPress account. Now, once logged in, head over to My Home on your WordPress dashboard. This area is your command center. From here, you can access all the essential tools and settings to manage your site. Your next step involves navigating to the Settings section. Gently hover over the Settings option, and you'll find a drop-down menu. Here's where WordPress puts the control of your site into your hands, allowing you to tweak and adjust according to your preferences. In the Settings menu, click on Reading. This is where WordPress allows you to control what your visitors see when they first land on your site. It's an often overlooked but absolutely crucial setting for guiding your visitors' experience. Upon clicking Reading, you'll see an option labeled Your Homepage Displays. Click on this option to unfold your choices for your site's most crucial element, its homepage. You will be faced with two primary options: your latest posts or a static page. This decision shapes the initial encounter visitors have with your site, setting the tone for their entire journey through your content. If you select your latest posts, WordPress will dynamically display your most recent blog posts as the home page. This option is perfect for bloggers or those looking to keep their audience updated with fresh content regularly. Alternatively, selecting a static page allows you to designate a specific page as your home page. This option is ideal for businesses or individuals looking to create a consistent, controlled first impression, perhaps showcasing a welcome message, a personal portfolio, or featured products. After deciding between a dynamic blog roll or a static page, make your selection. If you chose a static page, you'd also need to select which of your pages will serve as the home page from a drop-down menu. This is your chance to direct visitor attention precisely where you want it, right from the get-go. And there you have it. Setting your WordPress homepage is as easy as that. It's a simple yet impactful change that can drastically affect how visitors perceive and navigate your site. By choosing the most appropriate homepage display for your needs, you can tailor your site's experience to better match your objectives, whether they're to inform, entertain, or sell. Remember, the beauty of WordPress is in its flexibility and ease of use. Don't be afraid to explore and experiment with different settings to find what works best for you and your audience. Your website is the digital front door to your world, so make sure it aligns with your vision and welcomes visitors exactly as you intend. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our guides or reach out for help. Setting up your homepage is just the beginning of your journey with WordPress, and there's so much more to explore and customize. Happy customizing, and here's to making your WordPress site uniquely yours.